If you are farmhouse crazy like me, hold on, let me shut my cupboard because you guys said that was annoying and I would agree. Okay, the cupboards are shut. Hey guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be bringing you guys my Hobby Lobby clearance haul. Holy crap, you guys. If you have a Hobby Lobby near you, definitely call before you go and ask them if they have their springtime clearance 80 to 90%. So the store is trying to get merchandise out so that they can bring all of their holiday stuff in. So now is the time to hit up your Hobby Lobby, get your farmhouse decor. If you are crazy about farmhouse like me, you need to get your butt over to Hobby Lobby. Just go, just run and go. So everything is 80 to 90% off. Everything that I bought, I paid $40 for everything in my haul, and this is crazy. So the first thing I picked up is a golden pineapple. So my husband jokes with me all the time, telling me that I like idolize pineapples, and he's like, I'm just waiting for the day for you to bring home a golden pineapple, and here it is. And this immediately made me think of Lord of the Flies for some reason. So just the concept of me like idolizing pineapples and then having a golden pineapple, yeah, it just brought me back to middle school with Lord of the Flies. But anyways, this is $3.74, so I thought, hey, I needed that. And then my son's bedrooms, it is a baseball theme. And I found this sign, it says hit big or miss big. And it has the baseball and the baseball player. And this guy was reduced to $1.99. And regular price on this guy was $19.99, and I got it for $1.99. Crazy, this is crazy. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is this farm to fork wooden sign, and this guy was $2.99 reduced. Regular price on this guy was $29.99, and I got it for $2.99. So I am so freaking excited right now. So excited. And then the next thing I picked up is a home sweet home sign, and this guy is regularly $15.99, and I think this rang up for $4 or $5, one of the two, but pick this guy up. Regular price on this was $15.99, and I got it for less than $5. So remember, everything in this haul that I'm sharing you, I paid $40 for everything. So then the next little signs that I picked up, these were all $7.99 regular price, and they rang up for $1.20. So I got this one. It says milk, eggs, and butter. And then I got this one that says fresh baked pies served daily. So these are going to be going in my kitchen. And then I loved this wood block right here. It says, he calls me beautiful one. He calls me the beautiful one. So I got this guy right here. So this was $1.20. And then I picked this guy up. Regular price was $19.99, and it rang up for about I know it was $5 or less. Remember, everything in this haul I got for $40. So this guy says, bless the food before us, the family beside us, and the love between us. So I got this guy to go ahead and go into my dining room. So this was perfect. And then I got this sign to go outside my front door. It just says hello. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some like florals next to it. So this sign was regularly $39.99, and I think it rang up like $6, something like that. So it was ridiculously cheap. And then I picked this guy up. It says, let's stay home, and it has the cotton wreath right here and the wood, and this guy was $24.99, but it was reduced down to 80 to 90% off. This was in the clearance, so this is awesome. The next thing I picked up is this cotton wreath against the galvanized tin and then the wood. This guy came up to $3.20. Regular price on this guy was $39.99. So anything that's $39.99, it was ringing up for $3.20. So this is nuts. So $3.20 for that guy. And my favorite piece, I cannot believe what I found. This piece is beautiful. And it's heavy. I was carrying this guy around Hobby Lobby, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna knock something over. I know I'm gonna knock something over, but look at how beautiful this sign is. It is huge. It is huge. $8.99, you guys. This huge, beautiful piece of art, $8.99. it is very rare that my husband comments on something home decor wise. So I sent him a photo of this and I was like, hey babe, do you like this? He's like, yeah, that is really cool. You need to get it. So I picked this up. I'm gonna need some heavy duty nails to go ahead and hang this up, but I'm just shocked. So if you like farmhouse decor, you need to get to Hobby Lobby because it is insane. It is insane, guys. Go to Hobby Lobby. So this is my haul to share for you guys for the clearance items over at Hobby Lobby. So hopefully you guys are able to make it out. Drag your kiddos with you. I don't care how you get yourself to Hobby Lobby, but go and get to Hobby Lobby. I hope you guys have one close to you because this stuff is crazy, crazy. I need to get off of my high. This is like a couponer's dream right here. All this home decor for 40 bucks. I still I can't get over this. So I hope everyone's having a fantastic Saturday and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.